It's a little steep climb. Hey, Coco, stay, stay. Giving Coco food because she was not eating, and thoda chicken liya hai, and now added chicken in her food. Now she's eating. मतलब उसको चिकन चाहिए होता है खाने के लिए हमेशा. और चाहिए क्या? चिकन ख़त्म हो गया तो अभी शी वॉन्ट ईट. टेक मोर चिकन. खा ही नहीं रही है, देखो चिकन जब तक नहीं दिया तब तक नहीं खाना. सो द फूड इज़ हियर. आई मीन इट्स ग्रेट. मतलब यहाँ पे हम लोग बैठे हैं, यहाँ पे जहाँ पे सब रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खा रहे हैं. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हियर एक्चुअली. एंड द फूड इज़ हियर. This is the food. I think this is chicken, egg, roti, and I think chicken curry. Pretty good. मतलब यहाँ पे खाना वाना का all sorted है. Like in the cost, I'll tell you by the final cost at the end. But खाना is totally included. Like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Everything is included. अभी खाते हैं because बहुत भूख लग रहा है. So food is pretty good. I mean it tastes really well. The chicken, the gravy, the roti, everything is pretty good. And it's also maybe because I'm hungry. तो भूख भी लग रहा है तो वैसे भी अच्छा लगता है कुछ भी. But हाँ, the environment, the chillness of the climate and the khana, everything is just perfect. It's so relaxing to be here away from the city and enjoying this nice 2-3 days outside. अभी अच्छे से खाना खाते हैं, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है. आज आई थिंक प्लान है कि थोड़ा चिल ही करेंगे रिजॉर्ट में एंड इधर उधर घूमेंगे रिजॉर्ट के अंदर टू चेक आउट द होल प्लेस. और फिर कल जाएंगे पंचगनी और महाबलेश्वर की तरफ. Had a nice nap for about an hour or so, and then it's about 5:15 now, having a nice cup of tea outside on the lawn here. And yeah, it's just pretty good. Just relaxing and chilling. No specific agenda as I said today. तो आज तो बस chill मारेंगे. यहाँ पे देखो, there is a bonfire set up. So he said that अगर बारिश नहीं हुआ तो bonfire चलेगा and we'll have an enjoyment in that. And also if not, then we'll just like relax here and just have a look at the nice surroundings which we have. But yeah, cheers on the chai. Abhi I'm just close to the lake. This lake is called Dham Lake, and as you can see mere piche, are you able to see there is a dam there? So this lake is actually a water reservoir and a dam where you can like store water. And as I was saying, there is mountains on one side and there is mountains on the other side also, right? So actually ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये पूरा वैली है और उसके बीच में there is a lake and we are inside the valley right now. So यहाँ पे काफ़ी कुछ करने को है, जैसे कि there is a swing, you can use the swing to play around. And ऊपर देखे तो there is a tree house as you can see, so you can climb and go to the tree house. Let's go up and see कि कैसा है वहाँ पे. It's a little steep climb. Wow, okay. It's pretty good. ऊपर से व्यू भी अच्छा है. धाम लेक एकदम मस्त दिख रहा है. As you can see, I think this is a mango tree maybe. Looks like one. But yeah, यहाँ पे देखो वॉलीबॉल का भी खेलने के लिए जगह है. Or you can play badminton or whatever you want. But yeah, look at that amazing sunset which is happening. And can you see those lights coming out from between the clouds? That also looks so beautiful. This is what you actually feel when you get out of the city and go to a small place. You can actually appreciate these small things. City में तो इतना चलते रहता है कि there is no time to appreciate such small things. So you should take some time off from your current work and go for a few days and then relax and then go back and work so that you get your batteries charged. Stay. Coco, stay. Stay. Just look at her now. She also wants to come up. Avi. Coco, what do you want to do now here? Let's go down. अभी उसको भी ऊपर आना है, देखो शी इज यू आर वेटिंग कि ऊपर जाना है. कम. You're not going up this. Coco, come. Come. कुछ भी कहीं भी जाना है ना, उसको भी आना है. उसको पता ही नहीं है. There are few things which a dogs cannot do. As I was saying, look at that amazing sunset which is happening there. It's just right in between. I mean, there is clouds all over, and there is the sun rays coming from there. It looks really beautiful. But yeah, look at this ceramic coating and the PPF which has been done. This is the best part. There is no water which is actually stagnant on the car. It is just there on top. You can just wipe it away and it will go off. The same has happened on the top also, as you can see. It's not that the water is actually sticking to the car. It's just bubbles of water which, if I start riding or if I just wipe it like this, it will just go away from the car. So the best part of that is only this. Like you can see, the car is actually काफ़ी गंदा हो रखा है, क्योंकि आज पूरा बारिश में ही आए थे हम लोग, तो काफ़ी गंदा है गाड़ी. भी वापस जाके पूरा उसको फिर से धोना पड़ेगा. कलर ही ऐसा है ना, you have to maintain it. They have birds also here. Have a look. I mean, they have kept it here ऐसे nicely in the cage. Not sure, थोड़ा dark है तो maybe पता नहीं आपको देख नहीं रहा होगा, but just have a look. It's really good. There are few birds. That bird I don't think is really well, but the other birds are so nice. Really having a good time here. I mean, there is nice place to sit, as you can see here. Coco is also relaxing. She's now running behind something. Coco, don't run. Come here. And there is nice sunset happening. It's all covered due to clouds, but it's really good. It's just so peaceful, relaxing, and it feels good. It's almost about 8:30 in the night, so we just relax some more in the tent. And अभी तो डिनर का टाइम आ गया. आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर यू गाइज मस्ट बी एबल टू सी मी और नॉट, बट हाँ अभी काफ़ी ठंडा है यहाँ पे. इट्स लाइक मे बी अराउंड, सिट डाउन, मे बी अराउंड अराउंड 15 डिग्रीज टू 20 डिग्रीज. बट हाँ काफ़ी हवा हो रहा है ना, उसकी वजह से काफ़ी ठंड लग रहा है. सो आई गेस इफ़ यू कमिंग हियर इन सच क्लाइमेट, जैकेट लेके आना. हम लोग तो ऐसे ही आ गए बिना जैकेट कुछ, बट इट्स ओके. So just taking Coco out for a walk so that she can finish her susu potty and all that stuff, and then we'll go back and have dinner. Not sure अगर मैंने आपको नाम बोला था या नहीं of the resort. This is the name of the resort. It's called Magnus Caverns Resort. काफ़ी अच्छा जगह है. So as I said in the morning, इस तरफ जाएंगे तो आपको टेंट्स मिलेगा, and on this side as you can see, these are the villas. So villas has balcony and all that stuff where you can stay, and maybe it's like a proper house kind of scenario which you will feel. But ये टेंट्स का जो सिनेरियो वो थोड़ा अलग है, क्योंकि वो एकदम लेक के पास है, तो वो लेक वाला फीलिंग आता है और एकदम टेंट में रहने का फीलिंग आता है. दे हैव एन ऑप्शन ऑफ स्टेइंग इन लाइक योर ओन टेंट्स ऑल्सो. दे हैव अ स्पेस फॉर दैट वेर यू कैन ब्रिंग योर ओन टेंट मे बी and put it up and then stay. I don't think you guys can see me, but just finished with dinner. There was butter chicken, egg curry, and roti. Nothing much to show, so I didn't take any video there. But right now, bonfire is going on, and I think I'll add this. Let's see what happens. बहुत हैवी खाना खा लिया यार. अभी जाके आई थिंक वी जस्ट नीड टू गो एंड क्रैश. इट्स प्रीटी कोल्ड हियर, तो अभी अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे बॉनफायर में खड़े होके. My god, just amazing. You can actually see that boomerang shape which I was talking about. पूरा ही clouds हो गया है, यहाँ से थोड़ा बहुत दिख रहा है.